Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a few more ideas for my spring journal and I'm hoping it'll be fun. If it doesn't work, then at least you'll know what not to do. But I think it'll work. I have this paper bag that I've cut down. It was very long, so I cut it down and I only left this flap on top. So I thought I would put it there. And I'm also going to put this on. So I thought like that. So I'll glue that to the flap and I'll glue the lace to the page so you can flip the pocket up and then you have writing space here and on top, and you can put something in the pocket. That's the idea. So let's see if it works. Yeah, I think I'll glue this on first. I'll just put glue on all of the flap here. Like this. Yeah. That was the first stage. I think that'll work. And then I'll see if I can glue this to the page. Like so. What is this here? I think I'll need a bit more glue here. Just hold it down for a bit. Like that. So that was simple and easy, wasn't it? I'll do some decorating on the front here because it's a bit too white. So I'm thinking something like this. A bit of fabric. It's not easy to see, but there's a bit of gold threads in this piece. It's really nice. And I'm running out of ink. my ink pads are getting dry, so I'm putting metallic watercolor on the edges instead. It's something I do anyway sometimes, but when you're running out of ink, then it's always good to know you have an alternative. Let's get this glued. Just there will be fine. This one. Like that. I am very prepared today because I even remembered to fill my glue bottle. I think that's the first. I usually run out. I was going to put this under here. If it'll behave. Like that. A few bits sticking out there. You go back in the box. Oh, not if I have glue on my hands. There we go. And a little. Can you see what it says? Time of change. I also put metallic watercolor on this one. There we go. I think that'll look nice there. Like this. That was the easy one. So yeah, you have a pocket. You've got enough space to write up here, and you have space here. Easy. Next one is going to be fun, I think. Belly bands. This one, because I already marked where they are going. So I'll see if I can make this work, because it's a bit different. There we go. Okay, that was the first one. So I have this big just to add more writing space, because yeah, we like to create as much as possible, don't we? this will go here, obviously, like that. So you have this page, and the double here. So in fact you can create much more writing space than just the page. But we will add even more. Another belly band. And that'll go here. See if I can put that on straight. Like that. So the next one is going here, of course, and that goes on top, so that'll be almost hidden. I'll wait until the glue is dry, but we have a little bit space up here, so that'll be the third belly band. Let's see, around there, I think. I have no idea if this is gonna work, but that's why you try, isn't it? This is also, it flips up, so you can use it as a writing space for some affirmation, or just something you want to remember later. See if I messed that up, did I? Ah, that'll go. Perfect. Just need the glue to dry a little bit. So that goes here. This one goes here. And this one goes here. And that'll keep the other two closed and secure. So, yeah, that's it. And of course now, because this is already very busy, I won't put anything on, but if you have something more, bit more calm, you could put a pocket or a side tuck spot on this one, so you can create even more space. So actually there's just on one page, there's a load of space to create some fun. And you could put pocket on this one, put a little tag in. So that's a bit of one of my loaded pages. A little one here. And of course more space there. There we go. All good fun. And another easy thing to do, but it just creates much, as I say, it creates much more space for you. And it's not very bulky either, it's very flat, so it won't bulk your pages out too much. Of course you're gonna fill these with either pictures or, as I said, pockets or something like that, but I don't mind when my journals get really bulked out. I think it's amazing. But that was it from me today. Again, easy, but it was really fun, and I really love this this pocket I got here. I like how that turned out. And again, you've got loads of space on the page. Oh, got a bit of glue there. All done. Yeah, that was it. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye!